Good morning, everyone. This is Hadjikyriacos, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 15th of December. FOMC delivers a hawkish hike and reignites the USD rally. The FOMC raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points yesterday, as was widely expected. Given that the 25 basis points hike was almost fully priced in, market attention quickly turned to the updated dot plot for fresh forward guidance. The FOMC revised up its projected interest rate path for next year, with the median dot now suggesting 3 hikes in 2017 from 2 previously. The median dot for 2018 was left unchanged at 3 hikes. Given these hawkish signals from the officials, the US dollar surged against its major counterparts on the rate announcement and continued even higher during Chair Yellen's press conference. At the same time, gold plunged. Gold prices fell below 1,160 and continued lower to find support slightly below the 1,138 area. Considering the FOMC's hawkish tilt, we could see gold prices to turn down again at some point and challenge the 1,138 hurdle, where a clear break could initially aim for the 1,130 territory. Overall, the FOMC was unexpectedly hawkish in our view. In addition to revising the rate path higher, Chair Yellen said that she was never in favor of running a high-pressure economy. This implies that the FOMC may not allow inflation to significantly overshoot its target, and thus could accelerate the pace of its future hikes in such a case. What's more, she indicated that only some committee members incorporated greater fiscal stimulus in their forecasts, which suggests that once Trump's fiscal plans are laid out and all of the FOMC officials adjust their expectations for greater spending, the rate path could be revised even higher. Bearing all this in mind, we expect the dollar to remain supported or even to extend its gains in the foreseeable future. During the European day, we have 3 major central bank decisions on the agenda: the Bank of England, the Swiss National Bank, and the Norges Bank. Let's get the ball rolling with the Bank of England. The forecast is for the bank to keep its policy rate unchanged via a unanimous vote. Since the latest meeting, economic data have continued to suggest the UK economy performed better than many expected following the referendum. Therefore, we agree that British policymakers are likely to keep policy unchanged again. The reaction in the pound may depend on the minutes accompanying the decision. We will look through the minutes to see how the officials assess the economy's performance and what their expectations are. A relatively upbeat commentary could provide a fresh reason for GBP bulls to add to their positions. Cable collapsed yesterday following the FOMC meeting. The pair found some fresh buy orders slightly above the 1.25 territory, and subsequently it rebounded somewhat. Given our expectations for upbeat commentary from Bank of England today, we could see the latest rebound continue. Cable could initially test the 1.2570 barrier. If the bulls are strong enough to overcome that hurdle, we may see greater bullish extensions towards the 1.2650 zone. Now, let's carry on with the Norges Bank. When they last met, Norges Bank officials kept interest rates unchanged and maintained their neutral stance. They also reiterated that interest rates are likely to remain unchanged for some time. Since then, the nation's CPI rate has remained well above the Norges Bank target. This, combined with the OPEC consensus, make us believe that policy is likely to remain untouched once again. Switching to the S&P, no official forecast is available for the rate decision. Our view is that the bank may stand pat and reiterate that the Swiss franc remains significantly overvalued. Even though this meeting may not be a major market mover for CHF, we maintain the view that the S&P is likely to continue to act outside of scheduled policy meetings in order to prevent franc appreciation. As for today's economic data, we get preliminary manufacturing and services PMIs from several European countries and the Eurozone as a whole. In the UK, retail sales for November are expected to have slowed notably. From the US, we get November CPI data. Expectations are for an uptick in both the headline and the core CPI rates. We have 2 speakers scheduled for today. Besides S&P President Thomas Jordan, who will hold a press conference after the S&P decision, Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz speaks today as well. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Hadjikyriacos, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.